Hello, this is Robert Carter, District Technology Coach, here looking at Google Forms. In this video, I want to show you real quick how to do some customization options to your form to change the appearance. You're going to be able to do that via the customization theme here in the top right-hand corner. Now, we can change the header. You get the options of a numerous amount of preloaded ones. You could also upload a photo, but it needs to be at least 800 by 600 in terms of resolution. So it needs to be a pretty big, high resolution picture for Google Forms to use it. But there's any number of pictures in here that I think would be attractive for any situation. Let's go to the work and school setting and grab what appear to be Mike and Ike's. So that takes a little while to write. Oh, there it is right there. We can adjust theme colors if we choose to. You can see it changes as I select. I could even do a custom color if I chose. Background color, same thing. As well as even changing the font style. As soon as you're done, simply close out. I'm going to highlight some of the things I know you've seen in my other videos, but I want to make sure that you know that these settings are here. Remember, you could collect an email address, so that is key if you are not going to put a name field in. You can limit to one response and people inside your domains. Allow respondents to edit after they've submitted. And you can allow respondents to see the summary charts of the data that you collect. You can allow them to see a progress bar if you have multiple sections. You could shuffle up the question order, or just leave them a message confirmation that they're already done. If you want to just leave them a thank you, appreciate your filling out my survey, or hope you did well if it's a quiz, etc. We went over the quiz settings if this happens to be an assessment, from turning it on and off and making sure that when we can release their grade to them, etc. You make any adjustments that you'd like here and hit save. This was pretty quick. I want to make sure that you knew that you could change some settings in terms of how your Google form appears to your respondents. I hope this has been some use. Have a great day.